would say that trauma will become a gift if used correctly.
Mhm.
But on the other hand, because of that trauma, I would have to respond negatively on people if that experience or this experience mirrors my past. So, yun yung nagiging problema sa mag-asawa. Kasi sometimes, yung ginagawa ng asawa mo, kaya ka naiinis, it's because it reflects back to the trauma that that you have experienced when you were a child. And in psychology, most of the partners that we get are the projections of the woundedness from our past. So sinasabi nila sometimes that your husband or your wife is your healing or your destruction. It will become your healing if both of you were aware kung saan kayo nanggagaling, but it will become your distraction if you cannot assess or you cannot see what's happening if you don't have that awareness in your relationship.
Mhm.
Grabe, no?